Hello everyone, let's go to the 79th example. Make a program that reads a 3 by 5 matrix of integer. Next, show the prime numbers present in the matrix. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, you have to include the library stdio.h, which allows us to print messages on the screen. Here I am using 6 int variables for the matrix of integers, the controllers of our matrix, the control and the prime, that I will explain in the next minutes. In this printf, I am asking to you to enter the values of the matrix A. So let's go. This first for loop, loop 4, we will start with the value of I equal to 0, the I has to be slower than 3. Why the I has to be slower than 3? Because as we already know, an array of 3 places starts on the place 0 and finish on the place 2. And every time this for loop runs, the value of I will be increased by 1. This second for loop follows the same way of thinking. The j starts with the value 0, and the j has to be lower than 5, because the 5 is the amount of columns of our matrix, and the value of j will be increased by 1 every time this for loop runs. This scanf will storage the value that you type on your keyboard on the computer memory in the position A, I, and J. So let's understand how the reading is working. So the first time this for loop runs is this 0 and 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, as the value of j has to be slower than 5. So the next time the value will be equal to 1, and we'll do 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what is happening here? For one value of I, we will runs all the values of j. So that's how we will read the rows of our matrix. This printf is printing on your terminal the prime numbers in the matrix R. So this is the core of our program. These two for loops follow the same way of thinking of this one. The same, just to bring the values in the matrix. This control starts with the value 0, and the prime will be equal to the current value on your matrix. So, for example, in the first place we have the level 1, the number 1. So the prime will be equal to 1. And this for loop is the key of the program. Why? Because we will check if the value is divisible by the first prime number, that is 2, and the others, because a prime number is a number divisible by 1 and by ourselves. So for example, the 2 is only divisible by 1 and 2. The 5 is only divisible by 1 and 5. So this is what I am finding here, searching here. If the value prime is divisible by any value on this for loop, it is not a prime number, so the control will be equal to 1. And this break will break all the for loops and go back to here, to this part, and brings another value on the matrix for test again. So if this number is divisible by any of that, the value of control will be equal to 1. So here I am asking if the value of control is equal to 0 and the value of prime is different to 1, because the 1 is the first prime number. And if this conditional is true, this number is a prime number, because here I am setting the value, the k will runs until the value. So for example, the value in the matrix is 7. This k will start with the value 2 and will stop with the value 6. 6. Because the prime value is equal to 7. So, if the value is a prime number, we will print. So let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here to understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so the prime numbers in the matrix are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. So, thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description, and subscribe for regular content.